Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this video we will be seeing about the Jupiter transit which is going to take place on November 20th 2021. Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius and it stays there for about 145 days, maximum 5 months. Then it moves away from Aquarius to Pisces during 13th of April 2022. We will be seeing based on the Jupiter's position as well as the places it aspects as well as position of Rahu Ketu and Saturn for each and every zodiac sign, what are the probable benefits a person could get during this period. If you are new to this channel, keep this channel subscribed so that you will get my instant updates whenever I release it. On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus you could see there is a conjunction of planets Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio Ketu is along with Sun, and in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there, that is Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022 it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces, that is you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So, in Aquarius, Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Aquarius, the 11th zodiac sign. For Aquarius, Jupiter moves from the 12th house to the zodiac sign in this Jupiter transit. So the position of Jupiter is good. It will improve the health of everyone. The self-confidence will improve. From the first house, Jupiter will aspect the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th houses. So the places where the Jupiter aspect seems to be highly positive for them. As it aspects the 5th house, there will be good support from the children. Children might study well during this period, and those who are expecting for childbirth for very long, they can get a good child during this period. Jupiter aspecting the 7th house, so those who are unmarried and waiting for a good alliances can expect a good alliance this period and get married and settle down. The conflict between husband and wife could be well resolved and they may get united. So those who are separated, chances are there to get united. So business will also have a good prosperity. So those who are running own business, especially in the government based projects, or those who are associated with the government related work, like those who are preparing medicines, those who are doing any constructions work, those who are doing the transportation, road services, they can expect a good returns during this time. Jupiter aspecting the 9th house, so there will be good support from the father side family. Some may get benefit out of their father's property, some may get assets from the father's side, so some of the positive things can happen. Now the negativity is on the 12th house, Saturn becomes highly negative. So far Jupiter was controlling the Saturn at the 12th house. Now for this Aquarius, the 7th of real tough time starts from this period because Saturn becomes highly negative planet on the 12th house. So it gives all of problems at the 12th house. So they won't find a proper sleeping during this period. So they will find a lot of disturbances in the sleep. They will have some problem, mental stress, all these things can happen. They may face unwanted expenses during this time. So it could be due to vehicles, it could be due to the place they are staying anything for the matter, they may have some problems in the expenses also. Now Saturn aspecting the second house, so it is not good. So they will have problem in their communication. The family life will have some problems, and those who are having communication as a base, as communication is a base for their work, they will find some problems. Those who are working as a lawyers, they should be very much careful during this period. They may end up in a lot of problems. So in the family life also, there should be one has to adjust with others, otherwise they will have some problems. There may be some quarrels with the family members. So Saturn aspecting the sixth house seems to be good, because they can win out of their enemies, their diseases they get rid of. So some of the few things which gives positivity for them. Again, on the other hand, on the fourth house, Rahu becomes more stronger here. So far Jupiter was controlling the Rahu by aspecting it. Now once Jupiter moves away from the 12th house to the first house, the control over Rahu is not there. So Rahu will become more a negative powerful planet. So the fourth house, since it is powerful, there may be problem with the mother side family. Mother may end up some diseases, some problems. There may be issues in the assets. Those who are investing in land or purchasing vehicle or purchasing houses, they may end up in some legal issues, legal problems. They may go to the court, and certain issues may get solved out of their court judgment. Those who are investing in share market or buying gold or silver, they may find some losses. They can't expect good revenue during this period. So these are some of the negativity as Rahu becomes more strong at the fourth house. So for Aquarius, already the 7.5 period is there. So they may find certain problems out of Saturn, may knee problem, bones related problems, all these things can happen. But at the same time, Saturn will not do much harm when compared to other zodiacs. It rules both Aquarius and Capricorn. It will not do much harm to those people who are in this particular zodiac sign. So considering all the aspects, for Aquarius, this Jupiter transit can give them only up to 73% positivity.